फ्राइडे है ना, जो सामने आएगा उसको क्लोजिंग होगी आज, जो सामने आएगा. Anybody coming in front, we will close him. So if person is coming, God's plan, God is sending. So this inside na atma aa jati thi, atma. Believe me. And we used to, at her house, she is talking from the kitchen, Kavita is talking from the bedroom, I'm talking from the living room, right? Somehow closing. You know? And if all the pipeline is not getting closed, but our target was to make at least one check, कि इधर से तो hot zone लाएंगे. But कुछ तो करेंगे. With that means it is going to finish. Life is going to finish if that is not going to happen. Not like next week तो पक्का हो गया है. Not like that, right? You know, believe me, some people used to come. Before coming, we used to say, get the placement ID, this, that. I said, आने तो दो उसको. I think she will not sign up today. I said, today is Friday. उसका बाप भी आज ही sign up करेगा, right? You know? And anybody on Friday, anybody calling us after 8 o'clock, 8:30 and asking about, भाई वो इनवॉइस कैसे एक्टिवेट करते हैं. मतलब कितना बजा अभी, क्या है आज फ्राइडे, रख फोन, रख साले, रख, क्लोजिंग करने थे, राइट? बिकॉज nobody used to call. And if anybody calling for stupid things on Friday between 8 and 9:30, long discussion, अबे तेरे पास काम नहीं, मेरे पास बहुत है. You know? And भूत, Friday, भूत बन जाओ. You know? वो भूत तभी बनोगे जब गोल रहेगा. एवरी वीक का गोल रहेगा. You know? Do you have a weekly goal? If not, then nobody can make you bhoot. You know? And it's a different law of attraction. I still remember one girl came in, I think, who sent? Somebody sent a prospect at Shafun's house. And she said, she's coming. I said, okay, Friday, closing. Not yet qualified, but in the mind, closing today, Friday. No? God is sending her on Friday because she, okay. And then we are sitting. We did the plan. 6:30 p.m. plan finish, right? She's ready to sign up, right? You remember? Priya Nair, right? Okay. So she was ready to sign up, right? And then she said, but I'm not carrying my credit card. And she used to stay in South Bombay. And we were in Ghatkopar at her place. So he said, okay, today is Friday. You go quickly home, call us and give us the credit card details, right? And believe me, I don't know. उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता Friday है? But वो भाग के गई, वहां से फोन किया, इसके 9:30 के पहले sign up किया. And then she's telling, done na before Friday. You know, my boss, my ex-boss signed up. So thoda skeptic, bada aadmi, you know. He was a MasterCard head and all that, right? Okay. So he signed up. He registered himself and he said, I will make purchase aram se in the night. He was buying a 13-header platinum package, right? And then one Friday, he couldn't finish. Why? He came late and this and that. He said, bro, sorry, I'll do it tomorrow. This, that. I said, okay. This week is also gone. And then every Friday he is calling me and apologizing. I know I should have done before Friday, right? अच्छा उसको कुछ नहीं पता Friday का फंडा. But because we Friday closing, Friday closing, Friday closing, Friday closing, Friday closing, week will change, week will change. उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता week change होगा तो? But because you are so excited about Friday closing, there is a sense of urgency which come in the prospect also actually, right? To sign up. Understand, right? That's how it used to happen. So we used to tell, bhoot ban jao, bhoot, Friday bhoot. Friday ka bhoot. But that bhoot will only come when you have a bhoot for a goal actually, right? Do you have a goal? You have a goal?